How listening helps you learn English. English is a very important language. Many people speak English all over the world. Learning English can help people talk to others, travel, and get good jobs. English is also useful for school, using the internet, and enjoying music and videos. Learning English is not always easy. You need patience. Sometimes people make mistakes. Mistakes are normal and they help you learn. People must keep trying and not give up, even when it is difficult. Practice every day is very important. Learning a few words is not enough. People need to listen, read, speak, and write in English every day. Listening is the most important skill because when you speak with someone, if you do not understand what the other person is saying, it is difficult to answer or respond. One good way to practice listening is by listening to English podcasts. Podcasts are like short radio programs that you can listen to on your phone or computer. There are many podcasts for learners of English. Podcasts use simple language and slow speech, so they are easy to understand. You can listen to podcasts about stories, daily life, travel, or news. Listening to different topics can help you learn new words and understand English better. It is also helpful to answer questions about what you hear in the podcast. After listening to a short part of a podcast, you can ask yourself questions like, "What is this story about?" or "Who is speaking?" You can record your answers on your phone or computer. This is very useful because it practices speaking at the same time as listening. Even if you are alone, recording your answers is like talking to another person. You can listen to your voice, check your words, and try to improve. Recording your answers helps you speak more clearly and confidently. You can also repeat the exercise many times, trying different ways to say the same answer. For example, if a podcast talks about a dog, you can answer, "The dog is small," or "The dog is brown and small." This repetition helps your speaking skills grow slowly and steadily. Listening to podcasts and answering questions is also fun. You can choose topics you like, such as sports, music, or travel. When learning is fun, you want to practice more. Daily listening and speaking practice is better than studying a lot at one time. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can help you improve. Another good tip is to combine listening with reading. Some podcasts have transcripts, which are written texts of what is spoken. You can read the transcript while listening. This helps you understand words you do not know and remember them better. After reading and listening, you can record your answers to comprehension questions. This way, you are practicing listening, speaking, and understanding at the same time. In conclusion, learning English needs patience and daily practice. Listening is very important because it helps you understand and respond to people. Podcasts are a great tool for listening practice, and answering questions by recording your answers is a simple way to practice speaking even when you are alone. Combining listening, recording, reading, and answering questions every day can slowly improve your English. Small steps every day can make a big difference in your English skills. Questions. Listen to the questions and record your answer on your device. Then listen to yourself speak in English. Don't like your answer? Not to worry. Simply delete and do it again until you're happy with your English. And remember, practice makes perfect. Listening and comprehension questions 1. Why is English important? 2. What do you need when learning English? 3. Are mistakes normal? 4. Which skill is most important for talking with people? 5. What is a good tool for practicing listening? 6. Why is it useful to answer questions after listening to a podcast? 7. How can you practice speaking if you are alone? 8. What is one way to improve your speaking skills with recordings? 9. Why is daily practice better than studying a lot at one time? 10. How can reading while listening help your English?